If you want to know all about software testing, then this course is for you. I'm Tony, and I have extensive experience in all aspects of software testing and test management, and I would now like to introduce you to the complete software tester course. The content of this course is equally useful for beginners or test analysts who wish to enhance their skills. It can also help you to prepare for a job interview. So don't worry if you are new to this or you have already started your test career. There's something for everyone. The course could be divided into 5 main subjects. These were created after extensive consultation with my colleagues, and we will take it in turn to explain them, starting with Christina.
Hello and welcome. Part 1 of the course is an introduction to testing and explains why you test software. We also examine some reasons why people choose testing as a career and what they get out of it. Of course, we test for a reason. This course will explain why we test for safety and looks at some safety-critical business scenarios where testing is essential. For business testing, you will also learn about the critical financial and reputational reasons we test and the potential business impact if testing is not done. Over to Laura for the second part.
The second part of this course is where you learn about test analysis and what it takes to prepare for your tests. You also get to see how we use design documents to create your test cases and test scripts. We'll use worked examples for your test case and test script creation, and these are based on a design for a satellite TV company. That's a type of business that most of you will be familiar with. You will also learn how to identify and document the prerequisites. In other words, what needs to be in place before you start testing. For example, test data, test resources, and the test environments is fully configured. Once everything is in place, you will get the green light to start testing. This course teaches you how to identify these prerequisites, or even create some yourself. Now I'll hand over to Charlie, who will describe the third stage.
In the third part of the course, you will learn about test execution. The test execution stage relies on thorough test preparation to get it right. And this is where you will see how test cases and test scripts are used to execute your tests. We'll also take a look at the initial smoke tests you would run to ensure the application is ready for more thorough testing. The test execution stage is not just about running tests. You will also need to report progress to your test manager. And there's plenty of information about this in the lessons. Defect management is also an important part of test execution. And you will see worked examples of how to raise a defect and manage it through to the point that it gets retested. That's quite a lot, but you are here to learn, and it's all explained in detail. Now it's the turn of Julia, who will tell you about the next part of the course.
Hello, everyone. Part 4 will help you to understand the test techniques you will need to create and execute your tests efficiently. You will learn about several test techniques that will soon pop up on your screen. Don't be alarmed by the terms we use to describe them, as they are all explained in more detail during the course lessons, and you will fully understand the basics of how they work. These techniques and the methods they use will help to ensure your tests are accurate, and you can also guarantee good test coverage of the whole application. If you already work as a tester and you are not familiar with these terms, then you need to consider taking this course, as there are other aspects of testing that you may not be aware of. This is an opportunity for you to get ahead of the game, so don't waste it. Now it's over to Anna to describe the final chapter of this course.
Hi everyone. The final part of this course is where you will learn about project methodologies and how testing fits in with these. This is the last piece of the jigsaw. Project methodology is the framework a project team uses to deliver all the required products or software applications. As you can imagine, there are many ways in which this could be applied. When you understand how testing fits in with the project methodologies that are now popping up, you can adapt your knowledge to fit any approach on any software project. It's certainly better than being in the dark about how the project you are working on is being managed. You will also be able to talk with authority when being interviewed for a test role. Each of these project methodologies could contain many test phases, such as component, functional, and user acceptance testing. There are also different types of testing used. For example, performance and security testing, according to the need for them. This is just a small selection, but several more are described in the course. That's it for now. Back to Tony.
A big thank you to my colleagues for their course descriptions. It's worth noting that the course is available with or without subtitles. So if English is not your first language, or you have any hearing disabilities, you can still learn how to become a complete software tester. The 51 lessons that make up the course are specifically designed to be 3 to 5 minutes in length each, and are focused and relevant, with no wasted words. This ensures you have time to digest the information or repeat the lesson before moving on to the next one. Now it's all up to you. We have done the thinking, so all you have to do is watch and learn, and I really hope to see you there. Good luck with your test career. Remember, all lessons are free, so please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It costs you nothing and allows me to keep creating free content for you.